Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has a built-in unit converter in the calculator app? This lets you convert measurement quickly without installing any extra app. Let me show you how to use it. First, open the calculator app from the app screen. Then tap the unit converter icon at the top, which looks like a ruler. Now swipe through the available categories at the top, such as area, length, temperature, volume, and more. For this example, let's choose length. By default, it shows a simple comparison between inches and centimeters. You can change the unit by tapping the drop-down arrow next to each unit. For example, let's keep it simple and convert 100 centimeters to inches. Just type 100 and the result will update automatically. You can also switch unit or adjust the value anytime. If needed, you can tap the up or down arrow on the keypad to move between the top and bottom field. This makes it easy to edit either value. This feature is very useful for quick conversion in daily life. And that's how you use the unit converter in the calculator app on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.